sure we all have experienced the feeling of sweaty hands followed by a faster heart rate, chest pain, an upset stomach, and butterflies. Does anyone know what that feeling is? The feeling is stress. Every person on this earth deals with stress. Stress cannot be avoided. It is a normal part of our lives. It is important to know what stress is, the causes of stress, and ways to control it. I did research on how stress can affect your daily lives and how your attitude could be affected by it also. Stress cannot be avoided. It can be prevented. And I'm here to help you know the different types of stress and the health risks they have. The two main stress, psychological stress. This type of stress deals with emotional stress. Sorry. Episodic acute stress is when people experience frequent acute stress. Short-tempered, irritable, and anxious people often experience this type. They commonly have a negative outlook of worry about everything. They think of stress as a part of their lives and have difficult changing their lifestyle. According to American Psychological Association, the main thing that causes stress is financial problems. Another reason is that sometimes stress comes from inside rather than outside. You can stress yourself by worrying about other things like death of a loved one, loss of a job, emotional problems, and even relationships. Things to keep stress under control. Do things you enjoy is a natural way to release stress and find your happy places. Things like going out to eat with a friend, uh, swimming, reading, playing basketball, or just anything in general that you like to do in your free time. Another thing is positive self-talk because people are constantly comparing themselves to other people. They compare themselves and like, oh, their lifestyle is so amazing. I wish I was like them, or I wish I had those expensive clothes, those expensive shoes, those nice handbags, and other things like that. Stress is not always bad. In small amounts, it can help you perform well under pressure and to motivate you to do things. Just don't overdo it and listen to your body. People don't really necessarily listen to their body. They're just overworking themselves and that can cause problems, health problems. Next time you feel overwhelmed, remember that you are in no way alone in this battle. There are hundreds of thousands of people out there who feel overwhelmed and nearly completely out of control. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation. I just want you to know to listen to your body because it will tell you when enough is enough. Thank you.